Hello everyone, welcome to Module 2, Week 2. This week we are learning all about your organization. There's some really cool stuff that we're going to be doing this week, so please take a look. I'm going to walk through some of it with you just so we're all on the same page. So to get started in Module 2, go ahead and click on the side so that way you can jump in here and see what's going on. This is your overview. This week, again, it's designed to look at your organization. What is their mission? What are their goals? Who is a part of your organization? What does your organization do? Like, what is the purpose of the organization? Those are the things that you're going to learn. So you want to take some time to interview the staff, read their brochures, go through their materials, and see who your organization is and what they're all about. So with that, we've designed a couple of readings to kind of help. So read your overview. These are your assignments, but let's talk about readings for a moment. Your readings, there are 2 of them, so make sure you take a moment to read those as well. If you purchased the Tom's book, it is a great book. It's an easy read. It's actually Blake Mycosky's book, and it is his story and how he created Tom's. So if you've purchased that one, go ahead and read through it. Some of this will parallel, and it'll help you develop your project, so keep that in mind. So these are the readings. You also have a presentation from me, looks like this, so take some time to read through it, look at it. It's designed to help you, so take some time to look at it as well. So as we pass through, I'm going to go back to readings just so I can get that next button. So as we move through this, organizational treasure hunt is your first assignment. When you click on the organizational treasure hunt, it's going to open into a template. You will go in and utilize a template. So this is what the template looks like. So as you're looking at the template, you're going to go through who, what, where, when, how, why. You're also going to look at other information that's important about your organization. You're going to fill this out. Once you've filled it out, you can add it just right here. You don't need to create a APA document. This document is fine. If you do look at some of the research and you want to cite, you can cite in APA format, but leave it in this format for us. This will be embedded into your Google page, or your Google portfolio, so that way you can utilize it and work with it from this semester and also next semester. So this is the document that you will use for your organizational treasure hunt. After your treasure hunt, you have, let's flip over, you have a Flipgrid that you're going to be working on. So let's click here so you can see it. So this is talking about your Flipgrid. Your Flipgrid is going to be a communication with you and your colleagues in this class. So what you will do is when you click down here on the link, it will take you to our Flipgrid page. There's a little video for me that introduces what you're going to be doing in Flipgrid, as well as kind of what you're supposed to be doing. So you're going to talk about your organization. What have you learned? Who do they serve? And it's designed to have a conversation with your peers. So you're going to post, you're also going to reply to at least one of your colleagues about their post and what you know about their organization or other comments that you might have. Hopefully that makes sense. So this is your Flipgrid assignment. Your other assignment for this week, and I just love the fact that that next button is sitting right underneath that area. So I'm going to jump back again just so you can see it. Your last assignment for this week in Module 2 is your impact or your time card. So this is the link for that one. And it's just going to give pulse and putting in your time. At this point, again, you should have your internship and you should be ready to rock and roll. If you don't, please reach out to myself and Caitlin. We are here to support you and to help you. So happy week 2. Let's get rocking on Module 2, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.